catching the back end of a couple cars leaving, man. It was definitely lit down here this weekend. Y'all see them, man. Naptown. What up, what up? Got all the little whips and stuff, man. Y'all see them. Porsche on the big caps. Everybody getting up out of here, heading home. It's been a super lit weekend. Had to make sure I get my boy Regal this joint so hard. With the dunk over there. Everybody loaded up on their way home. This joint hard, I ain't gonna lie. What it do, y'all? Getting the cars loaded up. Orlando was a blast, but it's time to get on back home, y'all. See, we got the car all over there loaded up. So we about to get these joints together so we can get them on back to Chicago. Had a couple little mishaps, man. I'm gonna go and show y'all the damages, man. It's been a rough situation for us getting these cars, man. Had a lot. One car transit, two of the cars as the transits went out, and then two of them got damaged. So I'm gonna shoot y'all all the video. I'm gonna show y'all what happened and all that stuff. Right now, I just want to get these cars loaded up and then let y'all see what's all going on, man. Can't forget about old Moon Poon, Big Ruben. This joint clean, man. I ain't gonna lie, I really like this car. This joint fire. So this is one of the cars that got damaged, y'all, man. The brakes actually went out, and then I guess it was coming down, it bumped into the railing on the thing, on the truck. So it messed up the door pretty good. Everybody's really sick about this situation, man. I know my boy mad as fuck, man. I ain't gonna lie. But this situation is like what you could do, man. Like, the car didn't have brakes, but everybody, the car's got insurance, the truck's guy got insurance, so, I mean, this is a little bit of work. I mean, the car was fucking mint, bro. I ain't gonna cap to you. I was sad, I know, you know what I'm saying? I know how it is with people with their cars, man. You know what I'm saying? To have them like that, but, like I said, them brakes was a bad situation. You know what I'm saying? When you can't stop a car, and it's a big car, it ain't like you just, you know what I'm saying? So, sucks, man, but everything gonna get situated, man. Everybody, players, and, you know what I'm saying, got all their stuff together, so it's gonna be right. But it just sucked. And then we had somebody run into the back of the truck and hit one of the other cars on the way here. I'll let y'all check that out, see how that went, man. It's crazy. I ain't gonna lie, this 71 looking like both of them joints fire though. They was back to back the whole time. I ain't gonna lie. Nah, we'll be alright. Come this way. Alright. Straight back. Yeah.
Press that number 15, push it forward.
No, you're good. Cut this way, yeah. Straight back. What we do now?
On that tire, just on that flipper.
Nah, not yet. One more. Right there. Now you're on it. Like I say, tell y'all boys, do that flow challenge. What that undercarriage look like. You hear me? That's how you gotta come. Feel me? What that undercarriage look like though. Push it in.
Yeah, just
What'd she say? Huh? She'll wait? So go wait in the car. What are you coming out here for? Hold on. Hold on. Come up. Come. Yeah, come on. A little more. Wait. Yeah, that's good. Come check it. That should be good. Time to head back to Chicago. Got one more to load up. The donk, I got my Uber over there waiting. We're gonna be ready to come on back to Chicago. Y'all see them over there recording. Everybody going crazy.
you got the keys for that, Gooch?
Now they're in it.
They're inside.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Orlando was a blast, man. My Uber driver is over there waiting for me. We about to get this red car. I told her to give me 5 minutes. I just gotta help him load this red car. But y'all see the lineup, man. We had a blast. It was good having us, Orlando. We'll catch y'all at MLK. Hopefully we'll have a couple more toys to bring. We brought a lot of killers, I ain't gonna lie. This footage is definitely gonna be dope. Big shout outs on the gang. We had a blast though. We had a couple little mishaps, man. I hope Ruben will forgive us, man. That was a pretty messed up situation. But the car didn't have brakes, so like I said, my driver said it wasn't pretty much nothing he could do. So, and like I said, he's really responsible. So we're gonna get this situation situated. I'm gonna help him load this last car up, and I'm gonna get on up out of here. Last one getting loaded up. Look how good she look, y'all. Sucks, man. But we're gonna get her fixed. All right. Are you in it?
Yeah, fire. Right behind that ramp.
Yeah, you're in it. Come up a little. No, you're trying to get right there. There it goes. That's good. Huh?
I'm gonna roll out of there, I think.
All right, so you want to go back? Right now?
That little block there, yeah, put it in front of the front tire.
All right, it's in there. Just go through the window.
Take the keys with me.
All right.
I guess they won't go very far with this one.
No. So you're good?
I'm golden.
All right, for sure.
This thing doesn't roll off by the time I get out.
All right. Let me get this picture really quick. Y'all see it? They loaded up. We on the way back. He about to strap that one down and we on the way back. Y'all see it? All right, let me catch my Uber before I miss my plane, y'all.